What's going on, guys? We are at TunerEvo here in Virginia Beach. Got some crazy cars out here, guys. You gotta check these things out. Starting out with this red Civic. This Type R is crazy. Tell me this thing doesn't look aggressive. Look at that. It's got all the carbon in all the right places. The fitment is crazy. Huge wing. Guys just did a really good job with this one. Love the carbon trunk. Thing is so wild. Got another super clean one here as well. A little bit different, but slammed, of course. White goes crazy. Got the carbon hood on there as well. What do you guys think about these Type Rs? I like the newer ones a little bit better, but super clean. Look at my boy back there with the camcorder. This yellow is hitting on this E36. Wheels. These are set SSRs on here. Love the polished lip. Or chrome lip, not too sure, but love that you could pop the top off if you wanted to. Interior super clean, all black with the subtle hints of BMW in there. This is a good build right here. Right behind it though, oh man, this Evo. The yellow on the what, copper, bronze, hitting. Blue accents under the hood, pie cuts. Love a good Evo. Look at that. It's crazy. The contrast, insane. See-through hood on the Supra. So I was thinking this was a carbon wrap, but look at that. I think that's actually a carbon roof on here, which is insane. Looks like fantastic execution. You've got the carbon rear window there. Haven't seen that before, but that's what I like about this one. Super unique. Steering wheel's gone. Actually, it's on the center console there, but like just a lot of things you'll never see. Love the Regas on there. Polish, my boy. But look at this. Like, haven't seen this trunk, but it's one of my favorite setups right there. Got the little details. The upside down Toyota badge, let's go. Even got the Desmond carbon plates. NSX, super mean. Look at that, love how the wing comes off there. This is probably one of my favorite cars here. Carbon roof, you already know. All the carbon in the engine bay, such a good bay. Camera doesn't pick up black accents too well, but zooming in, look at those advans on there, and the front end is so good. So good. Got the Mark IV. This red is gorgeous. Love the confetti Recaros. Just a simple interior here. Oh, and can't forget, they threw some back seats in the Mark IV. Got the carbon lip off the trunk, something you don't see every day. Looks good though. Little exhaust, you know. Check out these Recaros though. This build right here is insane. I saw a lot of these wheels here. Super deep. My boy's boosted, not playing around. Car is so wide and so shiny. Another Mark IV with a huge wheel on the back. My boy's putting some serious power down. He's got all the gauges in there to keep track of all that power. Flex the magazine on the confettis. Oh, it's right-hand drive too. I just noticed that. Taking it all in. Love the TRD wing on there. And then under the engine bay, yeah, I would love to hear this thing in action. Goals right here, one day. Got the Rat Rod Beetle Bug here with the Bud Light shift knob in it. Got the nice patina on here with the deep steelies. Something you don't see every day, super cool. Got that JZX90, guys. What if I brought one of these to the channel? in love with these wheels. Oh man, this build is very well executed. Love the orange. Orange is not a color you see that often. Imagine the one Jay-Z sounds. And wow, look at that. All right, I think this one was here last year. If not, I've showed you guys this one somewhere in the past, but he never had the hood open. Got the CSF goodies under there with all the titanium, carbon everywhere. In my opinion, probably one of the craziest builds at this event. I mean, my boy didn't miss a detail. He's got the brake ducts, got the airbags, got the upgraded brakes on there. Come around the homie right here. He's got the wheels off and displayed with the lights and got the air jacks under there. Like I said, the lights and the freaking wheel well. Flexing the Recaro seats on us that were carbon bagged. Look at this, man. Like, my boy's not missing a detail. Is that a fuel cap? Is that an IG right there? And then this S2K, oh my gosh, and this beautiful blue with my favorite wheels on it, those Advans. I think this is a Pro Charger, I'm not sure, but it's a belt-driven turbo of some sort. Love the color on the valve cover there. Love these mirrors as well. The red seats pop off the blue. That was such a good choice with the roll cage in there. Huge wing, I almost hit my head on it. Yeah, this S2K is insane. Had to go back to the wheels because I love those. And then the turn down exhaust, huge fan of turn down exhaust. So I jumped over to this Baltic Mark IV. I think every car is like my favorite, but I love a Baltic Blue Mark IV. Oh man, on the mag grays. Yes, sir, with the yellow brakes. And then you got the nostalgic rug in the back. Come on, my boy. Those taillights, the colors in the taillights, Toyota killed it with those. Such a good car, man. Ooh. So one of these would be sweet too. I mean, you got the Jay-Z in there, you got the work wheels on there. Those wheels are crazy. You got the cage, all the gauges you could ever need. That's like the epitome of a IS300 right there. The white is just with those crazy headlights and the insane engine bay with all the titanium pie cuts. Brothers Garage, whoever built this, y'all knocked it out of the park. That is goals. Liberty Walk homie showed up with the, what is this, E90 with the BBSs? Yeah. Subtle hints of red everywhere. Yeah, I love the bucket seats in here. Got the carbon one over there. Got all the vents. For those who don't know, the vents let all the noises through. All the engine bay noises, you can hear them so much more when you got vents. Good build right here. I've been following this M3 build for a while. The trunk setup he's got in there has really been progressing. I mean, my boy's going all out. Got the screen in there. Love these wheels on here. The fitment, just good execution. There goes my hand in the shot, no worries. But yeah, my boy's bagged. And like, it's crazy where it needs to be crazy, but like he could turn all the lights off on it and just be super clean. This R32, see this guy all around Virginia. Probably one of my favorite 32s there is. And like, he knows this build is insane. Y'all gotta tell me what kind of car is this white car right here? At first I thought it was an Accord, but it says Toyota on there. I don't know what this thing is, but I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. But yeah, that's some type of Toyota, that white car right there. But what really caught me was not only the BBSs that are on this blue car. First of all, I love this blue. Blue's my favorite color, and this is the one right here. But look at the stance on there. It's like a crazy rake because the car is sitting on the tire in the back, and then the front end is just so clean. Got the Bayside blue R34, the Takata belts. Let's go. Look at this thing, guys. Very well executed. My boy's got all the right parts on there. Check this red out though. So I'm in love with this red. I don't think I've ever felt this way about a red before, but this one is on point. Gorgeous R33. Love how the black hits. You know, you gotta have these wheels on here. Love how the black hits with the red. He's got the black cage. Just enough red on the interior. The carbon wing though. Look at this thing. Pop of blue in the engine bay. Check this bay out. Like, my boy knows what he's doing. Looks like it was originally white, like this Evo. So this is the Evo 6. My favorite's the Evo 5. Then I'd have to say like the Evo 9. But this thing, it's kind of hard to tell apart from the Evo 5. I mean, it's a very good looking car. This is the special edition right here. TEs is a good move. All right, guys, so we got the Grinch Camaro out here. This green really caught my eye. I think it caught a lot of people's attention. The hood with the cowl and carbon is crazy. Got the bay, carbon everywhere. I really like the drag wheels on here. That also really caught my attention. Like, look at these things. Beefy and look good in the polished black. Taillights, color coordinated. It's the Grinch. Can't go wrong with the matte black R8. Got some wild wheels on here. So at first it kind of looked like beadlocks. I don't think they are, but I could be wrong. But I love like the copper that he used, like the accent. I mean, copper and black, you can't really go wrong. My boy got carbon everywhere, which you know me, I love that. Yeah, it's a good build. Look at the Lex though. This thing, like, while it looks VIP and looks luxury, it looks like if he airs it up a little bit, he cranks it, it's gonna sound like some type of monster V8 that you just don't want to mess with, but you got like couches on the inside. Come back here, get this like rear 3/4 view. The chrome on the white is sweet, but look at these wheels. I've seen a few pair of these around the show. Such a good wheel, such a good car. RS3, boys. My boy got the Barney RS3, got the see-through hood, little pops of green everywhere, super wide. Interesting choice in purple. I mean, it looks good, especially with the pops of green everywhere. The seats, carbon buckets with the green stitch of RS3, nice touch. My boy got the vents and the tow hook. Ain't playing around, playboy. So let's see. Got the hips, got the front. It's crazy. In the rear, a little subtle bit of green. Yeah, I think the green Audi symbol would have probably been a little too much. That was just the right amount of green in the back. Tinted tails with the hips. And you got the boy Ricky's Merc. Crazy yellow. Love the lights going along the ground there. Some of my favorite wheels right here. Gorgeous wheels. Super clean interior. Love the all black interior. The red accents. Yes, sir. My boy laying on the ground. Look at him. I need some underglow for my cars. All right, guys. I know this video is a little bit different, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe for me. Trying to grow, trying to bring you guys better content. Hit my IG too, link in bio, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace and love.